Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Safoni, and this video has been not really a long time coming. I've just been lazy. I've been too lazy to just put on makeup and do this video, especially when I'm not going anywhere. So I wanted to wait until I was going somewhere in order to just do the video, but it's COVID-19 season, so I'm like, why just do the video and call it a day. Anywho, so welcome to my channel, and today I will be talking to you or sharing with you my Saint Laurent or YSL haul. I've been fortunate enough to be working and also to afford what I have. It's funny, I never really paid attention to like luxury, brand. I mostly invest my money in traveling, but since my travel plans are canceled for the rest of 2019 and maybe part of 2020, since my travel plans are canceled for the rest of the year of 2020 and maybe part of 2021, I decided to just take the money that I would use to travel, to book flights, hotels, outings, and just invest it in bags. So I would like to share with you all a few things that I have purchased in the past couple of months. And this is my first designer brand purchase. So let's go on to the first thing I purchased, and that is the, drum roll please, the YSL camera bag. I love it. Do you see? Okay. So this I love it. This was my first purchase. I wanted a camera bag just to, like go out and such, go out to the club, blah, blah, blah. So I decided to make this the first one. So it was between this bag and there's a Prada camera bag like this as well. But my friend told me to go for this one. It is beautiful, and it comes with a tassel, but I removed the tassel. I didn't like the way it looked, so I just removed it, put it in my car, that thing above the rear view, yeah, that. So I put it there, and it's I love it because it fits a lot. So I can fit a water bottle in here, my wallet. It's great. What I don't like about it is this thing here. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it, but yeah, I just don't like it. Like, I wish it could stay down, but it cannot. There's tons of space for a lot. So I've got my sanitizer, lotion, my Fenty Beauty. I have oily skin, so this comes in handy. Blotting powder is what it is. So that is the first purchased. I just love it, and it goes with everything. And there's different colors, nude, there was a burgundy type color I was looking at, but decided to go with just the classic black because of course it goes with everything. So that is that. The second purchase, I purchased it together with this one because everybody needs a tote, for work and such. I work from home, yay me. I've been working from home before the virus, so I don't really go out that much, maybe on the weekends or to networking events, but yeah, I don't have to go into the office. The second purchase is the tote bag. I love it, and I love the YSL logo that comes with it, so it's pretty. So you can hide it if you'd like, keep it if you don't want. If you want to keep it subtle, simple. If you don't want to show out, you can do that. But I mean, I paid a pretty penny for this, so I am going to flaunt it. Okay, so this is how I would wear it. And you've got the Saint Laurent logo right here. Very tiny, but that's that. And yep, love it. And I love the smell of it. Oh, it just smells so good. And also, it's not like it's kind of flimsy, so like it doesn't, you know, stand. See, it drops, and I don't like that about it. I wish it was like more structured, but it's still pretty nonetheless. Yeah, I love the way it looks. Love that. And again, I went with black, just so black doesn't get dirty easily. If I got in a nude, I feel like it would have gotten dirty, you know, faster. So I went with the black. The next purchase is, and I will diversify, of course, after this, because everything I have now is just Saint Laurent. But their product is so pretty. I just love it. Now the third purchase is the belt. This is a 34, I believe. Yeah, this is a 34. I'll put the information in the description box. But this is a 34. And you've got the Saint Laurent Paris on there. But I love this because it's just so, it's classic. You know, it's not loud like the Gucci belts, like double G in your face. It's subtle. It doesn't scream at you, and I like that. Like, I want you to see it, but I don't want it to be loud, you know? Just like when you sit in the back of the class, like, you're seen, you just don't want people paying attention to you, but like, you're present. So that's that. The logo here, I like how tiny it looks, and I'll share a picture of how it looks on. Now, you know what? Thinking of it, I kind of went overboard with the Saint Laurent. But it was just, I just loved it. Fourth purchase. Aren't they cute? And I'll share a video of how it looks like on my feet. So, I had issues with this sandal. When it came in, you know, it had like paper here just to keep it, I guess, structured. But I have skinny, narrow feet, and this was big. So I went to the cobbler and had them, the shoe cobbler, and had them, I don't know if he cut it, but like he shortened it. So he said he had to remove the sole in order to shorten it. So he did that. It fits better now. Now my other issue is when I walk, like the leather to skin, you hear that? It's like I don't like the noise that it makes. The shoe cobbler said he could put something here so that when I walk it doesn't make noise, but then it would cover that. And no, I do not want that. So he just said, don't do it, enjoy your shoe. And that's what I will do. Just enjoy these babies. But I went for the brown because it's classy. It goes with everything, so why not? And I also purchased the Opyum heels. That's at the shoe cobbler now because I ordered the size 7. And with the size 7, I'll share a video. I feel like I'm a true size 7, and I felt like my toes, they fit, but I felt like it just didn't fit well enough. So I went back to the store, the Saint Laurent store, and tried on the 7.5 and the 8, and it seemed like the 7.5, I didn't really see a big difference from the 7, so I just did a whole size up. And also the strap of the Opyum, it hurts. It's kind of tight, so because I wanted it loose as well, I just went a whole size up. And so the shoe cobbler, the ankle part, the strap, he has to shorten that strap or add another 2 holes so that I can close the heel. So I went into the Saint Laurent store. I bought a toy Loulou toy. Again, I'll share a picture with that. But I bought that and it was cute. But then I went online and saw this beauty. It was just so pretty because like I need a nude. I have black, but you need a nude or a brown purse. Like you have to have a black and you have to have a nude. I mean, it goes with everything in your closet. So I'm like, okay, I need a nude purse. So I went in there and got the toy Loulou in like a nude dark beige. But then I saw this one and I liked it more. And I didn't need 2 nude colors. So what I did was I went back to the store, returned the toy Loulou. And I guess you can't return the bag, but you can get a store credit. So with the credit, I just bought the Opyum heels. But this is this baby. It's retail price almost $2K, 19 something I think. Then taxes. I'll put the price below with the link. But this is it. I forgot the name of this. Matelasse, I don't know. I'll put it in the description box. I'll put everything that I just showed you in the description box. But this carries, see, so pretty. And you've got the Saint Laurent logo there. It can fit a good amount. Let's see. Let me try my water bottle. See if this baby. See if it fits in there. Make sure it doesn't drip in there. Oh, it fit. The water bottle fits. Hallelujah. Oh, and it closed. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. So this is for a date and night, and I like the versatility. I'm not gonna. It starts with the versatile. I like how versatile. You know what I'm trying to say. I like how flexible the bag is. You can do like you can wear it day, you can wear it night. And I will share the information below in the description box. And on the arms, you'll see Saint Laurent. So both have it. Alrighty. So that's all I have that I've bought. That's Saint Laurent. Yeah. So yeah, so thanks COVID, I guess, because I would never like splurge, you know, on bags or like designers. But since I'm not using my money to travel this year, I decided to invest in myself, make myself happy. And also, I feel like as a black woman, other black woman who's watching this, it's okay to spoil yourself. Because no one will spoil you like you spoil you. My young mind a few years back, I would say, wait for your boyfriend or your husband to buy you, you know, a designer brand, something that's expensive that you really want. But I mean, growing up, I'm like, you can buy it yourself, okay? Save your money, work hard, and splurge. And the rule of thumb, when buying stuff, make sure you can buy it twice. Me, 3 times. So if I can't buy it 3 times, I'm not buying it. Yeah, because like you don't want to go and buy like a $2,000 bag and then you only have like $200 left in your savings or your checking account. You got to be smart. Save your money, spend money on yourself, enjoy life, be bougie. Yeah, take care of yourself. But yeah, that's all from me. I'll list everything that I purchased in the description box below. Comment, let me know which one you like the most. If you have any questions, put it below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.